So, it's another beautiful day here. Today we're gonna walk the Khreshchatyk, which is basically just downstairs of our apartment, here next to the Maidan Square. As you can see, it's all peaceful and beautiful. People are having lunch here at KFC. And I never see that KFC even has a mascot. What is this, the walking chicken? What is this chicken? It's strange.
Nuggets?
Wow. Yeah, so actually they don't have to do this since McDonald's is closed, so they don't have much competition.
I know, but that thing doesn't make me hungry.
What doesn't make you hungry, yeah? Yeah, and here mojito. It's like a cocktail bar. And here a coffee place. I can test your strength. Yeah, I'm wondering who's stronger, the Ukraine or the Russian? The Ukraine is stronger. Yes. Oh, how much is it?
No money.
No money? Oh. But very weak. Ah. And you? You show me. He shows how I do it. Oh. Oh. Wow, yeah, very good, man, very good. All right, so he's stronger. I don't want to fight with him. They have falafel here for vegetarians like Paula. Oh, rennen Sie. Die Sirenen, the sirens coming back, but people are just chilling. And there's McDonald's. Fortunately, McDonald's is closed, or fortunately, it is closed. Yeah, you don't get tempted. See, although we've heard it should open again in August. Let's hope not. And here's the metro station, the Khreshchatyk, but it is closed with protection. But the metro is supposed to operate, just not these stations here. We have to go to another station. So they have a sign that should free the Azovstal defenders, but I think they're already free. I'm not sure. So, let's see if this focus is better today. I always have problems with the focus with the camera. So here's Mango. Mango is open. So actually all shops are open except McDonald's. And here on the right is a famous shopping mall. It's called Zoom. You can check it out later. Apparently Zelensky has his office right next to it. Not sure if it's there or there on the street. Now we're going to the cell phone shop to get some credits because LifeCell didn't accept my credit card on the app. And they're running out of mobile internet. Oh, but Zara is closed.
Yes, I think that because of the sirens they started to close.
Really? Do you think they're just closed now? Let's see later. If they're closed permanently.
Yeah, but not permanently, I guess. They're just like with COVID, you know?
Yeah. They have a little market in this hall. I think it's quite late now, at 5 p.m. Most shops are already closed. So here's a famous Zoom shopping mall. And here's a guy playing the violin. Huh?
Everybody's out. Do you see these people?
Oh, everybody's out because of the siren. Oh, people kicking people out of the mall because of the siren. Well, I'm not sure where it's safe, on the street or in the houses. So that's not good for shopping, you know, these sirens. Here's a tourist information center. Having some bags there. Let's see if it's open. It's closed. It's closed. Because of the siren or because of the alarm? I am not sure. It's a place for the tourists to take photos. Ah, and they're playing the bells. Ah, because it's 6 p.m. So you can see the things they have to offer. So let's check out Zoom. So it's all open. Ooh, very luxurious here. This is huge. Here the cinema unfortunately is closed, so no movies. Here's a rooftop restaurant with a spectacular view. Only if you look over the ceiling. Amazing here in Kiev. I think this is where Zelensky has his office. So here's a miniature form of this building. I still don't know what's the name. There's a stage here. Ah, it looks like from a romantic novel or something.
The club isn't the best place to find our loves, at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table, don't trust you fast and we look slow. And you come over to start, we're gonna switch your adjustments.
So now here at the Maidan Square, over there a wonderful apartment. And here at the stage here, one of the most important landmarks, not just of Kiev, but of the country. And having some comics here. Unfortunately, everything is in Ukrainian or Russian, so I won't understand much. Well, so as you can see, everything is quite normal. Just when the sirens go off, the shops will be closed for about half an hour. But then everything will be normal, and so far sirens go off every day and never anything happened. So I feel quite safe here in Kiev, and I'm happy to be here. As we're gonna stay here more than 2 months, unless something happens. If the Russians coming again, of course we're gonna leave, but so far everything is fine. And I'm in love with the shape of you, Kiev, now with the city. I'm in love with the city because it's really fantastic. It's one of my favorite cities in Europe. Because also the cost of living is quite affordable. Here we have a gigantic clock. Beautiful, although it doesn't work because it's not 9:15, it's 7 p.m. Here, beautiful view on the Khreshchatyk, on the Maidan Square. You can see some of the people that were killed and murdered during the protests here at the Maidan Square. So Ukraine is not totally innocent. Not just Russia is bad, in fact every country is bad. Although I don't know the whole story what happened here. But yeah, it's very sad to see so many people who have died. It seems to be all men. And a single woman. See, it's a nice viewpoint. It's a better view than from our apartment. Which is now sunset time. Here on this bridge. Amateur vlogger. The memorial site of the heroes. The protesters again, 107, what I just talked about earlier. Let's have a look. So you can see more people who passed away. Again, only men. What has happened? Strange and sad. And this church is closed. Here's also closed metro station. It has been long overdue, but finally I'm here to go to this place, to the hairdresser, to cut this stuff off. It's way too long. So, a little underground hairdresser here. Let's check it out. I've been here already yesterday, and they said they make it for $10. So I'm a bit late, but they're gonna prepare everything. You have free Wi-Fi.
Już kamienie, ty też podejdziesz.
So, the haircut is finished. A little bit too bright for my taste, but at least it's fine. Yeah, and $17, it's not too bad. So, next stop, dentist. They sprayed all the maps in the city. I'm wondering why. Maybe because of the Russians? But you can still see most of it, in fact. And there's Google Maps. You can't spoil that one. Here, on the other side. So, it's another beautiful day here in Kiev. Right now, I'm going to the Nova Pochta, which is basically a new post office, as they call it, to pick up a water pump for our big water bottles, because they're so heavy with 20 kilo. Especially for Paula, if I'm not home, she would like dehydrate because she can't drink water. So we bought this pump online. So I just want to introduce you. The online shopping here in Ukraine is also very easy. Even though the websites are completely in Ukrainian and they call you to confirm. So I want to explain you how it works. Basically you use the Google website translation, and when they call you, you just say da, 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 like yes, 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 and it's gonna be fine. And then you get a message to your phone, because you have to state the phone number that it arrived, and that happened actually yesterday. So right now I'm going here to the mall to pick up my wonderful water pump. There's the Nova Pochta, number 345. It's good to have numbers, because when you have to choose them online, it's easier than just choosing the address. So here you go to the confirmation code. We're going to pick it up. So here's the code. Hello. This is the number. So, was that easy? Here's my wonderful new water pump, $6, including shipping. It's good that you have to pay in cash when you pick it up. So in case something goes wrong, it's no problem. Like last time, or if you change your mind, you can just not pick it up. And now I'm going back home. It's beautiful weather, and this is my wonderful apartment here. So happy to be here. So here it is, our new wonderful water pump. Let's see if it works. And it works, although not as efficient as I expected. Very small amounts of water coming out. It takes ages to fill a bottle with that.